In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a flowchart in Lucidchart. So whether you're a beginner or just a neat quick refresher, this guide will help you walk through the essential steps to design a professional looking flowchart. So first, make sure you are on the official website of Lucidchart. Now, click on the plus new button on the upper left corner. You can choose a blank document or create from a template. But in this case, we're going to delete this first because we are limited to create a 3 charts only because I don't have a active plan in here. So delete this, move it to trash like that. And now let's proceed on creating a chart in here. So click this blank document and wait for it to load up. So now on the left side, you'll be able to see here the shapes panel. Here, you can scroll down. So let's exit. You can scroll down in here and scroll down and find the flowchart shapes section. And now you can drag and drop shapes like ovals or hexagon, rectangle, a triangle, and some other shapes in here. So after that, click on the shapes and then drag the blue dot in here. So drag in here this and connect it to the rectangle. So this is just to give you all an example. You can explore the Lucidchart if you want a more professional and more understandable kind of charts design you want to create. So yeah, that's how you connect a blue dot connectors to link with another shape and then adjust arrow direction and style for clarity. And then after that, click on a shape to type directly inside it. You can also input a text in here via clicking this text bar on the left panel. Unfortunately, we couldn't find it in here, so yeah, click this rectangle in here and then you can double click it in order to show this text. So let's name it as section 1, and after that you can customize the flowchart. You can use the style panel to change colors, add shadows, and enhance the design. And then you can also resize shapes and adjust spacing for better readability. And that's it. That's how you create a flowchart in Lucidchart. So now you can easily map out processes, workflows, or ideas with professional looking diagrams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.